What is up guys, welcome back to Borch Crypto. I'm in the same setup as before because I'm currently away from my usual setup. But today I have a really cool project that I'm going to show you guys. So we're going to be going over Rivalz.ai, which is the first AI-driven DeFi roll app. So it is a really cool project that is currently in the testnet phase. So you can join very early and later get rewards. So stay until the end to learn everything about this one. Let's get straight into it.
So I just want to kick off things mentioning this article here of Cointelegraph. Rivalz Network secures $9 million to advance AI Intel infrastructure. So this is great news, guys. They've secured $9 million, which is incredible. I mean, this is a huge sum of money. And here we can see that there is so much investors here. We can find all of the partners right here in the fundraising. So many funds are trusting this project. So this is just a huge indicator and a positive indicator that this project has future and that people believe that this is going to grow and establish as a interesting platform in this space.
All right, so introducing Rivalz. So as you can see, guys, Rivalz introduces an AI Intel layer powering an ecosystem of modular AI apps. So it's kind of complex at first, but if you break it into small parts, you're going to be able to comprehend exactly what this platform does. So a DeepMind-based rollup built on top of Dimension using Celestia and Aiken. So reasoning, we believe that the future of AI data will heavily focus on data provenance, which will be the core to building the largest AI data markets, enabling AI apps and a diverse ecosystem of AI agents. Furthermore, AI applications such as AI agents need trusted and validated access to data feeds and domain-specific intelligence. This problem needs significant advancement both in the coordination and also in the trust layers. All right, so Rivalz focuses on, first of all, raw data to structured data, static data markets to AI and identity licensing, enabling trusted data sources for inference and AI agents, and enabling markets of modular intelligence for AI agents. So it offers a lot of tools and resources for the AI market in the future, and this is where the power of this platform is. So you have the compute layer and the storage and query layer. And lastly, you will get the output, which is the Intel outflow. So that's pretty much the docs where you learn a little bit more on Rivalz. And now you are going to see a little bit of the website, which is amazing. The design is pretty cool. And as I mentioned before, it is powered by Celestia and built on Dimension. So as you can see here, Intel incentivized testnet is now live, and you can earn RIS, which is the token rewards, and get access to the upcoming node sale whitelist, which is something I am definitely looking forward to because it is the kind of the first stage of this project, and it will be always interesting to be early in projects that have long-term potential. And here we can see the different companies or firms that are backing this project. So there's a lot of interesting names here, including Gate.io. So here we can see that you can use Rivalz for decentralized data processing and storage, access networks of trusted data and Intel providers. I think giving an infrastructure to people where they can build their own AI models is something that is going to be very valuable in the future. And yeah, I mean, there's a huge ecosystem inside the whole project that includes a lot of stuff. And you can be interested whether you are a provider, you are an investor. There's a lot of people that are going to be interested in this one. So access a modular AI app ecosystem from AI agents to AI tools and replicas. Run our client, grow the network, run said node, secure the network. So you can run different options to help the network, and you're going to get incentivized from it. So you're going to get rewards in their own token. And here we can see, as I just mentioned, the R client for all users, data storage, light computation, which is something that almost everyone can provide. And then you have Z node, which is data validation and quality control of clients. And it is for key holders. Obviously, it is kind of a more demanding task. And lastly, RIS, which is the token powering the Rivalz chains and its AI app ecosystem. So it's kind of the token and the utility from all these different layers and parts of the project. They all are centralized in this token. All right, so our clients, as you can see, as I just mentioned, you can download it and just start farming. And then the nodes, you need a key. Okay, so it's kind of a more VIP kind of part of the project. And yeah, I mean, here you can see the utility for the network, for the AI applications, and for the rewards. So obviously the network, it's the data supply and infrastructure. For the AI applications, access, data, and intel. And for the rewards, staking and upgrading. The node sales is going to be happening soon. And as you can see here, there's a CTA here, call to action, which is the whitelist. You can join the whitelist and you will be able to purchase a node. You can also get a code, which is something that I highly recommend you guys to get a code. And I mean, you can get referrals, which is always nice. Okay, so if you click here on the menu, you can see the mines. So you can connect your X account and get your bonus points, which is really simple. You just click on proceed to connect and authorize it from your Twitter or X account. And here you can see the total points. I highly recommend you guys to start farming points because there's a lot of ways to farm them. Obviously, there's a huge airdrops in the ecosystem that have done similar, just in terms of giving points to the community and then doing an airdrop or giving rewards in different ways. And here you can see the leaderboards. This guy has 400 client points, 400 million client points, which is pretty crazy. And obviously, the more you get, the more you will be rewarded. And also you can see referrals. As I was mentioning before, you can get referrals and increase your points in this way. So people invited, here you can see 0. I have not invited anyone yet. And you earn 15% of referral points. Highly recommend you guys to start farming and getting points because the earlier you start, the better. And I definitely think this one has potential to grow. And being early is going to pay in the future if it goes as they plan and it grows organically. So here we can see the different questions. So for example, what is the Rivalz testnet event? Here you can see that the Rivalz Intel Incentivized Testnet gives you early opportunity to interact with the network and support the infrastructure by running the R client, engaging in social challenges, minting data fragments. So there's different ways that you can interact in this event. And here, as I mentioned before, what are the points used for? The points will be used for securing the whitelist access for the node sale, winning exclusive gold passes, and determining your eligibility for the risk airdrop. And as I mentioned, guys, you can earn points in several different ways. So just running the client, social points through social tasks, engaging with Rivalz on X, and writing high quality content. Referral points can be earned by inviting users through the referral link. What are fragments? So fragments are NFTs that can be minted on Rivalz testnet, representing the distributed nature of storing data on a DPIN. Really nice FAQ here, guys. If you don't understand anything, you can ask and it will be answered in any of their socials. The community is really, really nice and welcoming. And I'm sure that if you have a specific question that is not answered in the website or anywhere you can find, just ask it and I'm sure that you will find the answer. So definitely, guys, keep this one on your radar. Don't come later just crying because I didn't talk about this one. This one is really possibly one of the best projects in 2024 and it has a lot of potential in the future. I mean, it's AI related and it has so much implications in the ecosystem. So make sure to keep it around. Again, this is not financial advice, guys. This is always just done because I think it is a really interesting project and I think it's educational for you guys to learn about different projects in the ecosystem and enriching. So that's pretty much it. Make sure to check it out. All the important links are going to be down below. Make sure to connect your X account and get a referral link because I think you guys can always just find ways to get extra income and I think this is a way to do so.
Also, guys, I highly recommend you guys, I know I've said this already, but I highly recommend you guys to join the testnet. All right, so this is something that you should definitely do. And I'm also going to be giving away a gold pass. If you win, you will get a gold pass, which guarantees a tier 1 prize participation, which is a huge advantage for you guys that are interested. Make sure to input my creator code and you will get 10% off the node sale that is going to be starting September 10th.
But that's pretty much it, guys. Take care and I will see you guys in the next one.
Bro. Be fucking real, man. Come on.